Okay, grade 5, let's talk about the work of SST. First of all, we will understand the chapter. The name of the chapter is Latitudes and Longitudes. The lines which divide the earth into equal parts, and then when they intersect each other, they are telling you the location of any place. First of all, latitudes. These are the imaginary lines which run from east to west. These are called latitudes, and they are going parallel to each other always. And when we are moving to south or north pole, they decreases in the length. And what is the another name for this is parallels of latitudes. This is the second name of the latitudes, parallels of latitudes. There is a longest latitude that divides the earth into two equal halves or hemispheres, and that longest latitude is the equator, which divides the earth into two equal parts, and that parts are called northern hemispheres and southern hemisphere. And latitudes are always measured in degrees, as you can see the sign here of the degree. And equator, the longest equator is at the 0 degrees Celsius. Then we are having North Pole and South Pole, which are indicated with the help of 90 degree N and 90 degree S. There are total 180 latitudes which are moving from north and south both sides. Then next one is the important lines of the latitudes. In this table 2.1, you can find out the important lines of the latitudes, and those are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. And these are the other names of these lines. Here on this, you can see the important lines, how they are dividing the earth. After that, you are having longitudes, imaginary lines that are going from North Pole to South Pole. And what is the another name of these longitudes is meridians of longitude. This is the second name of the longitudes, meridians of longitudes. Here on this picture you can see these longitudes. What is the features? What are the features? What are special something about longitudes is they are equal in length, and distance between two longitudes, here these longitudes, distance maximum at the equator, and distance between two longitudes decreases as we move towards the poles. Here they have given you the information about the prime meridian longitude, which passes through Greenwich in London, and how we can show. We show it with the degree sign and along with E for east and W for west. There are total 360 meridians. Total 360 meridians. Then in the last, they are giving you the specific knowledge about the international dateline also. They are telling you that when you are moving from east to west, you are gaining a day. And when you move from west to east of 180 degree longitude, you are losing a day. This is the specification or feature of international dateline. Then how we can locate the place on earth? with the help of longitudes and latitudes. When they intersect means when they cut each other, the point where they are cutting, they are crossing each other is the exact location of that place. And this all, when they are cutting each other, is called the grid. After that, in the last, they have given you the difference between latitudes and longitudes. There are 4 differences they have given you. As you will read the chapter, you will find out that these are the lines which are giving you the differences between longitude and latitudes. Now let's talk about the exercise. First part A is match the columns. Column A, column B. You will not draw the lines to match them. You will just write down the 1, 2, 3, 4 number after A, B, C, D wherever it is matching. 66.5 degree north. You can find it here in this box. This is for Arctic Circle. So you will match it with Arctic Circle. Then you can find out for this 23.5 south, 23.5 degree north and 0 degree. 0 degree, as I have read for you, is for the equator. Then it is having part B. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. The 0 degree latitude is known as dash. As you can see here, number 4, 0 degree is going with equator. So you can easily find out that what is the right answer for this. Then number 2, the dash is at 90 degrees south. For this you can go for the table 2.1. Not table. You can go on page number 7. You can find out here that it is 90 degree S and it is for the location of South Pole. After that, you will do part number 3, part number 4 and part number 5 by yourself. Then we are moving for the question answers. First question, what are latitudes? List the important latitudes. For this, you can move on the starting of the chapter. Here, page number 7, you can find out that what is the meaning of latitude here, right? And what are the important lines? As I have discussed with you, the table 2.1 is showing you the important lines of latitudes. Now we are moving to the question number 2. Describe the important features of longitudes. You have to move on page number 8 under the heading longitudes, and from here the 5th line, all longitudes are equal in length. These lines are telling you the features of longitudes. So you will mention this answer for question number 2. Then question number 3, what is a grid? For that, you can go for recap the last point. Longitudes and latitudes form a network of lines called a grid. It helps us to locate places on the earth. This is the answer number 3. Then question number 4, what is the significance of international date line? For this, you can go on the blue color box on page number 9. This is the significance of international date line, answer number 4. Next is question number 5. How do we locate places on a map? For that, you have to move on page number 9. Here, under the heading of locating places, starting from 4th line. The point at which latitude, longitude crosses each other is the exact location of that place. This is the answer number 5. Last one question. Differences between latitudes and longitudes. You can see on page number 9. there are different points are given here, which you can see on page number 9. You can write down any 3 points from here for mentioning the differences of longitude and latitude. So this is your exercise which you have to do with the help of this video.